Hi everyone, my name is Kathy and I'm excited to introduce our D-Desk Your Body series. This unique and valuable series is designed to put postural balance back into your body, which gets taken away by the overused seated postures we have in our everyday lives. The human body, designed to be bipedal or upright, undergoes a postural assault daily, all caused by sitting. Consider the seated posture. Most things are flexed hips, flexed knees, flexed spine, flexed elbows. Add to the mix rounded shoulders and hands working over keyboards, and it's easy to see why we feel off in our bodies when we sit for too long. And interestingly, we can't outrun, outbike, out-exercise a day where most of it has been spent in sedentary postures. Instead, we need movement snacks peppered throughout the day to metaphorically unglue ourselves from these postures. Now, let me introduce your movement coach, Dr. Lauren Polifka. Lauren is an important and ongoing advisor to MOSSA. She is a licensed physical therapist who graduated from Northwestern University with a doctorate of physical therapy. After graduating, Lauren began pursuing a career in sports therapy. Her goal, to heal bodies in motion and be 100% dedicated to keeping people moving, healthy, and pushing themselves forward. So Dr. Lauren is going to help us de-desk our bodies with short sessions that can be done at your desk, standing up near a wall, or being on the ground. Now, depending on your reality, you can choose from 6 sessions. Some of the sessions utilize basic tools that will easily sit in your top drawer at the office. A small band and some kind of trigger point ball, a lacrosse ball, would do the trick. Now, this will give you some variety in the movements that you do to unglue your body, because as you will hear, this is not a one and done process. This is something that should be done on an ongoing basis. We hope you enjoy seeing behind the scenes at our corporate office. You'll see that even though we're a company that creates exercise programs, we still have an office and we still have a lot of desk jockeys sitting for long periods of time. Even though we do lunchtime workouts, we still encourage our employees to de-desk their body during the day. Now, Lauren suggests that you spend 5 minutes de-desking your body for every 2 hours spent sitting or sedentary. We promise you that with this small time investment, you will feel much better on a daily basis. So let's move.